Hi guys, so this is the instructional video of fitting a Vario seat, which is the 5th seat option available to most Burstners. So the benefit of this is you can have it as a setup as a lounge, but when you want to travel with another person, you remove these cushions like so. This then reveals a cutout. There's a bracket work and framework within here. Those are the points which are anchored then through to the chassis. Your seat, which is a device, it's usually stored in your garage, which is this seat. Now these are slotting direct into this area, directly behind the wing nuts. You slot that in like so. Tighten the wing nuts in each of the areas, like so. Pull this out. That then allows the seat base to drop down, and your seat is ready for transportation. To remove it, do the opposite way.